Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I love this red frog squishmallow.
This squishmallow is so much fun. My family and I love to play with them and snuggle with them. I really love the detail on the back. The spots are in the fabric, so it's not a whole bunch of stitching, which I like because it makes it look really clean, and it's really super soft. We love the fabric and the shape. It's really awesome. You can see in comparison to the other squishmallows we have, it's on the smaller side, so it even makes for good snuggles. You can see how big it is. It's about the size of my head, which makes it super easy to carry around and go with on road trips.
So if you're looking for a small squishmallow for you, for your kids, if you're collecting them, I would highly recommend this one. We love it. My kids love it. They sleep with it. It's nice and soft. We love it, and that's my point of view.